Hi, I'm Chris Chesterfield. I'm part of the team at the Cooperative Research Centre for Water Sensitive Cities that has developed the Water Sensitive Cities Index. Cities around the world are realising the fundamental importance of managing water resources and water system services to enhance the livability, productivity and resilience of cities. These benefits are captured in the concept of the water sensitive city, a term that originated in Australia and is now diffused around the world and now defines the highest level of performance and achievement in urban water management. The Cooperative Research Centre for Water Sensitive Cities has developed the Water Sensitive Cities Index as a way to benchmark cities based on performance against a range of urban water indicators that characterise the water sensitive city. Our goal is to be able to rate the water sensitivity of cities around the world and provide a tool that will help cities transition to more water sensitive practices. The index has been developed over 2 years, involving researchers, prototype testing and a pilot program with heavy involvement of industry users to make sure that the final product is useful, functional and user-friendly. There are a number of cities and municipalities now using the index to benchmark their status, and many of them are developing strategies to achieve a vision for a future water-sensitive city state. You may be watching this video because you are one of those cities or municipalities and you've been asked to participate in benchmarking using the Water Sensitive Cities Index. If so, thank you for agreeing to be part of the benchmarking exercise by collecting data and scores for the index. We've made a short instructional video following this to make your participation easier. This video will provide some guidance for collecting data and to help you pre-score your indicators prior to the workshop. If you have any questions after you've watched it, you can talk to your local project leader or coordinator. Thank you for your participation and we look forward to working with you.
Hi, and welcome to the instructional portion of the video. You would have received the Water Sensitive Cities Index spreadsheet. I know it looks a little bit scary, but let's run through it together and hopefully we'll make the process a little easier for you. The first thing to note is that you really only need to collect data for the goals and indicators in your area of expertise. So just having a look at this spreadsheet, the first tab lists the goals. There are 7 goals in total. As we move across, we can see that there are goals and indicators. So there are the 7 goals across the top with the indicators listed below. Let's have a look at one now. Let's have a look at good governance. So under ensure good water sensitive governance, we have the indicator knowledge, skills and organisational capacity. Moving across, we have a description of that indicator. Moving across again, we have the rating scale from 1 to 5. This is the rating scale that we would like you to use to score your indicators. Moving across again, we have some guiding questions. These guiding questions are there to help you distinguish between the ratings. And moving across to the end, we have some suggested data collection sources. These data collection sources will help you with your rating. Let's have a look at another one. Moving across, we have community capital, equity of essential services, productivity and resource efficiency, adaptive infrastructure, ecological health, and quality urban space. Let's have a look at quality urban space. We have activating connected, pleasant, urban, green and blue space. Moving across, we have a description of that indicator. Again, a rating scale from 1 to 5. Here are some guiding questions to help you with that rating scale. And again, we have suggested data collection sources that may be able to help you with scoring your indicator. During Workshop 1, you will come together with other experts in the industry to collectively score each indicator. You don't need to bring the evidence for each indicator to the workshop, but be sure to write down the supporting evidence. For example, if you have a report, map or document that you've used to score that particular indicator, write down the name of that document, map or report, then bring it to the workshop. You may want to use the spreadsheet. Add a column, record the name of that report, then print and bring the list to the workshop. Don't forget, you can also refer to the Water Sensitive Cities Index website